Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters right here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary.Christiance, but yeah, you know me as the van guy. And we've got a great van for you today. 2020 Coachmen Beyond rear bath, under 1,600 miles. Coachmen Beyond 2020 rear bath floor plan. And we will start in the rear bath area. Got a nice closet area, 3 drawers, good storage, drop down sink to give you a little bit more room in the toilet area. Let's come up the driver's side, just walk through the door in the back, and now you're in the bedroom, twin beds. Got entertainment, the TV's right there, USB ports, 110, 12 volts. Nice long bed that you can use for twins or slide together to make a big bed. We're going to move up in the kitchen area right now. Solid surface countertops, recessed sink, 2-burner stove, compressor refrigerator. It's got a nice 3 drawers in here. One of them is big enough that you've got a spot for a garbage can. It's got marine vinyl throughout. Of course, if they put it on a boat, it's certainly going to last on the inside of this. And before I forget, there's 5 cabinet storage areas on the driver's side. Just store a lot of items for you to carry. Moving in the cockpit, driver's seat, automatic transmission, 6-cylinder, front-wheel drive. It's on a 1-ton chassis with dualies, 22 feet long in length. It's got an EcoBoost engine, and if you get past going uphill, it's because you let somebody do that. Going over to the driver's seat, which does swivel, and then just above that, and in the upper area above the cockpit, you have another nice little storage area. Going down the passenger side to the rear of the coach, of course, you have your entry door with your nice sliding screen with grab handles for assistance to get inside, your Xantrax inverter, and then you got your solar panel readout, and then directly across from that is your controls for the battery disconnect behind the driver's seat. Again, we've got another 4 nice storage areas up above. And then right just behind the entry door, you have a nice little work table, a microwave oven, and 2 drawers for storage. Moving to the rear, you have your control panel in the back, so you don't have to walk all the way up front to use that one. Fantastic fan controls, remote, which is close to the air conditioner, and then back into the bathroom area. A nice coach, low miles, 1 owner. Hey, thanks for taking a quick moment out of your day to take a look at this video I did. The van is unbelievably clean. It's hardly used. Certainly if you have any questions, who would you call but the van guy? Call me direct at 541-554-9581 or check me out on my Facebook page, The Van Guy.